Hot chocolate lovers, today is for you because you can now enjoy your favorite holiday beverage in the form of a cookie. How delicious is that? So to make this chocolatey decadence, you'll need all-purpose flour, cornstarch, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, unsalted butter, whole milk, vanilla extract, semi-sweet chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, and coarsely chopped candy canes or peppermint candies. I don't know about you, but I love a rich hot chocolate, and I love to top it off with cream and crushed peppermints, so these cookies are definitely one of my favorites. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and place some parchment paper on a baking pan. It's important to mix the dry ingredients first, so in a bowl, whisk the flour, cornstarch, sugar, and cocoa powder. Onto the wet ingredients. I'm using a mixer for this. Whip it on medium speed, beat the butter, milk, vanilla for about 3 minutes or until light and fluffy. Now let's mix the two together and mix until combined. I'm going to cover this and chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes just so that the batter is slightly hard, which will help prevent spreading while cooking. It's been 30 minutes, so it's time to get our roll on. Roll the dough into 12 balls, which will be about 1.5 inch thick, and place them 2 inches apart on your pan. Next, press firmly on each ball to flatten to about 3/4 inch thick. Now we can bake these for 12 minutes. You'll also know they're ready when the sides start to crack slightly. Let them cool on a wire rack for 15 minutes, and while they're cooling, let's move on to the toppings. In a small microwave-safe bowl, heat the chocolate chips on high for 1 minute or until melted. You'll need to stir every 20 seconds or so to prevent them from burning. It's ready. Spread each cookie with the chocolate, immediately top with the marshmallows, and lastly, sprinkle on the peppermint candies. Now when you're having your hot chocolate cravings, you can ask yourself, do I want it in a cup or do I want it in a cookie? You can even have both if you like. See you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.